Now see here. In a cuboid, there is a figure cuboid. Cuboid is an combination of two rectangles. On one rectangle overlap another rectangle. There is length, there is breadth, and there is height. Length is increased by 20%. Okay. Breadth is increased by 25%. Height is increased by 40%. Length increased, breadth increased, height increased. Find the percentage increase in total surface area. Total surface area. So there is one surface, this is another, like that. I will get 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB front, LB back, BH here, BH here, HL here, HL here. So total surface area of the cuboid is given by 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Don't get confused with the lateral surface area, that is 2H into L plus B. Total surface it is LB plus BH plus HL. 20, 25, 40. 20% it is 1 by 5. 25% it is 1 by 4. 40% it is nothing but 2 by 5. Denominator always denotes the initial value. So initial length it is 5. Initial breadth it is 4. Initial height it is 5. All are increased. 20, 25, 40. Final length 1 increase 6. Final breadth 1 increase 5. Final breadth 2 increase, which is 7. Okay, first one. So initial total surface area, easy question. Now it is just a substitution. Initial total surface area, L into B, 5 4s are 20. B into H, 5 4s are 20. H into L, 5 5s are 25. So these 2 into 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 25, 65. 2 into 65. Initial total surface area, it is 130. Final total surface area, it is 2 into 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. These 2 into 65 plus 102, 107. These nothing but 214. Initial value it is 130. Final value it is 214. Now if you observe 50% of 130, it is half. 130 plus 65, 195. 195. Suppose again extra something is remaining. 10% of 130 is 13. 65 plus 13, 78. 78 plus 130, 208. It is coming closer. So these out, these out. Next one, 1% of 130. It is 1.3. 130, 1.3. 65 plus 13 is 78. 208. It should be 6. It is 6 means it is 4 point something. Answer is 64.61%. Length is given by 20%. Breadth is given by 25%. Height 40%. 5 1 increase 6. 4 1 increase 5. 5 2 increase 7. So use the formula. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Use it, you will get the answer. Very easy question. Only thing you should know is the formula of total surface area, and anyway you know that denominator it is the initial value and numerator it is the change. 19th question, I hope the idea it is clear. 20th question, radius is increased by 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. 5 increased by 6. Again pi r square h, 1 by 5. 5 increased to 6. Again height decreased by 40%, it is 2 by 5. 5 to decrease, it is 3. 5 5 5, 125. These 108. Dip is nothing but 17. 17 out of, so that is the reason. Positive 17 out of 125 into 100%. 25 fours are 25 fives are 68 by 5, which is nothing but 13.6 percentage, which is nothing but 13.6 percentage. Idea it is clear, right? Idea clear, right? So these are nothing but R percentage, it is 20. Again it is R percentage 20. So these greater than 40 percentage. These greater than 40 percentage, or more or less it is 44 percentage. Height is decreased by 40. So X is greater than A minus B. Answer is greater than 4 percentage. Keep an eye on the answer option. I hope the idea it is clear. 21. Now this is again an exam question. Please read the question, sir. In every month, right, Harendra consumption is given. What is given consumption? He consumes 25 kgs of rice. So here he is consuming 25 kgs of rice. How much he is consuming in wheat? 9 kgs of wheat. Consumption is given. The price of the rice is also given. 20 percentage of the price of the wheat. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. If it is 5 rupees, price is nothing but 1 by 5 of 5. It is 1 rupee. Consumption is given and price is given. Next it is expenditure. Expenditure is price into consumption is expenditure. So what is the total amount? 1 rupee per kg. So total 25 rupees. These nothing but 9 5s are 45 rupees. Expenditure for rice is 25 rupees. Expenditure for wheat is 45 rupees. Total he is spending 70 rupees. But according to the question, in this way he spends 350 on the rice and wheat per month. If I go by these equations 70, but according to the question it is 350. So the multiplication factor is nothing but 5. Multiplication factor, it is nothing but 5. So these 25 into 5. These 25 into 5. So these 125. These nothing but 225 rupees. 225 rupees. 125 rupees he has spent on 25 kgs. This will become 5 rupees per kg. 225 rupees he spent on 9 kgs. This will become 25 rupees. Nothing I did. I am going statement by statement. First 25 kg rice is there. Price of rice is 1 rupee. Expenditure is 25. Expenditure of wheat is 45. 25 plus 45 it is 70, but according to the question 350. So into 5. So 45 into 5, 25 into 5. Wheat is 225 rupees, rice is 125 rupees. Till here it is clear. We converted every statement into mathematical expression. If the price of wheat is increased by 20 percentage, 25 rupees increased by 20 percentage, 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 25. It is increased to 5 rupees. So here it will become 30 rupees. 30 rupees. So 30, if it is the price is increased, total 9 kgs I require. So 9 into 30, 270 I will spend it. 270 I will spend it. Total how much I am spending? 350. So these nothing but 80 rupees I will spend it on rice. If 80 rupees I am sending it on rice with 5 rupees per kg, total how many kgs I will buy? 16 kgs I will buy. Are you all with me? So what is the percentage reduction? 16 kgs I will buy, but actually I can buy how much it is? 16 kgs. Totally find the percentage reduction of rice consumption. 16. So these is nothing but 25 kgs. 64. So 100 became 64. These is nothing but, or you take it as 9. 25 kgs, now it is 16. 9 out of 25, answer is 36. Very, very easy question, nothing I did. Step by step I am going. There are two varieties. One is rice, another is wheat. Rice is costing 25 kgs. Wheat is costing 9 kg. This is what rice 25 kgs I can consume 9 kgs. Consumption is there. Price. Price is 20% of the total price of wheat. If wheat is 5 rupees, rice will become 1 rupee. Went to a shop, 25 kgs each of 1 rupee. Expenditure is 25 rupees. Wheat is 9 into 5, 45. 25 plus 45, it is 70 rupees. But according to the question, it is 350. So into 5. That means total I spent 125 rupees on rice, 225 rupees on wheat. Is it clear? 125 rupees on rice and 225 rupees on wheat. 125 plus 225, it is 350. Then what has happened? Price has got increased. For which one? For wheat. Actually, what is the price of the wheat? 25 rupees. 20% increase is 30. So now the price of wheat is 30 rupees per kg. Total consumption is 9 kgs. 30 into 9 is 270. Total I spent 270 rupees on wheat. Then it is 80 rupees remaining on rice. 80 rupees I have got, and each price of per kg it is 15. That means it will become 16 kgs. Actually, I can purchase 25 kgs because of the price of wheat increase. I reduced it to 16 kgs. 25 kgs initial value, final value 16 kgs. How much is the decrease? 9. 9 on 25. What is the answer? 36. Easy question. Only thing you have to convert an English statement into mathematical expression. 21st question. I hope the idea it is clear. 22nd. Again it is an easy question. This is a previous year examination question, sir. There is a bus fare from Darjeeling to Kolkata and there is a train fare. Bus fare it is 20 rupees. Train fare it is 30 rupees. Train fare has been increased by 20%. 20% is 1 by 5 into 30, it is 6. This is 36. Bus fare has been increased by 10%. So 2. 20 plus 2, 22. This is 22, this is 36. Ratio of the new train fare, it is 36 to new bus fare, 22. Don't directly do 11 is to 18. It is reverse he is asking. 18 is to 11. Answer for this question is 18 is to 11. Easy question. Just an increase and decrease in terms of value. Now, the value of a machine depreciates. Depreciation is nothing but percentage decrease. Percentage decrease. 5% dip. 5% down. 5% down. 5% down. So answer should be just less than 10%. It is 2 lakh. In that 2 lakh, 10% is 20,000. It is 1 lakh 80,000. So if it is 10%, if it is 10, this is actually 5 plus 5 minus 5 into 5 by 100. If 2%, that means till here I got it as 1,80,000. 1,80,000. So answer has to be very, very close to 1,80,000. Not exactly 1,80,000. So just by looking at a question, I am getting the answer as 1,80,500. Because if I take only A plus B, I am getting a 10. 2 lakh 10% down is 1,80,000. So it is just closer to 1,80,000. This cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, and this cannot be the answer. So X is less than A plus B. You can use it to eliminate answer option. It cannot be 1,80,000, it cannot be 1,99,000. See, the value of a machine is decreasing. If it is decreasing, the price will go down, right? How come it will be 2,10,000? Price cannot increase if the percentage decrease is there. 2 lakh, 1 lakh 99,000. Difference is 1000. 5% it is. 5% is 5 out of 100. For 100 only it is 5. That means for 10,000 it will become 500. For 1 lakh it will become 5,000. It cannot be this answer. It cannot be 1,80,000 because x has to be less than a plus b. 10% of 2 lakhs is 20,000. This is one way. Method number 1. Just by keeping an answer on answer options you can do it. Another way. Now 5%, 5% down, it is 1 by 20 down. Initial value it is 20, 1 down 19. Second year 20, 1 down it is 19. So these nothing but 400, these nothing but 361. These nothing but 361. 400 is becoming 2 lakhs. It is becoming 2 lakhs. So into 500. 361 into 500. Now listen carefully here. 361 it is 19 into 19. Another way to look at it. Answer should be divisible by 19. Answer should be divisible by 19. 2 lakh 10,000. Not divisible, not divisible. 19. 19. 9s are 171. 95. 19 it is perfectly divisible. Either you can go by answer should be divisible by 19 or you can go by x less than a plus b. Method 1 and method 2. For every problem I will try to give you multiple angles to simplify the problem. Method 2. I hope it is clear. Now next question. Next seems like a big RC passage but we will go slowly. The red blood cells in a blood sample grows by 10% per hour. Every hour 10%. Every hour 10%. 1 by 10 increase. First hour 10 becomes 11. Second hour 10 becomes 11. First 2 hours. It decreases by 10% in next hour. So next hour it is 10% down. It is 1 by 10 down. Just convert 10 becomes 9. It remains constant in, this is the third hour. It remains constant in next hour. Constant means as it is 1:1. And again it increases by 5% per hour. It is 1 by 20. Next 2 hours 20 becomes 21 and 20 becomes 21. This is the first hour. This is the second hour. First 2 hours it is 10%. Third hour it is 10 decrease. Fourth hour it is the same. Next 2 hours it is 20, 21. If the original count is nothing but 40,000. Original count is nothing but 40,000. 20 into 20, 400. 400 into 1000. 3 zeros, 4 zeros. So these nothing but 4. Actually it is 40. It is given as 4. It is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 means 11 into 11 into 9 into 1 into 1 into. Now I hope it is clear, right? 11 into 11, 121. 121 into 441 into 9. 121 into 441 into 9. Find the approximate value we have to do. Because it is approximate, it is clearly mentioned that the values are approximate. I cannot use the digital sum. So I will approximate into 120 into 450 into 9. I hope it is clear. 121 approximated. These are nothing but 1245s are 540. Again 2 zeros into 9. So these are nothing but 54 into 9, 480, something close. So this is the nearest value. This is the nearest value. Idea it is clear. Same like the previous question. Convert every statement into a mathematical expression. 10 1 increase 11, 10 1 decrease 9. Next hour it is same. So it is 1:1. It is 1:1. Divided by 10 we have to do. So 5,400. 5,000 into 9 is 45,000. 400 into 9 is 3,000. 48,000. Answer is closer to 48,025. Next question. The strength of a school increases and decreases every alternate year. So there is a first year and there is a second year. Then there is a third year and then there is a fourth year. It starts with increase of 10 and thereafter percentage decrease, it is the same. First increase, then decrease. So if it is 100, it is 110. 10% increase. Again 10% drop. It is 99. Again 10% increase. It is 108.9. Again 10% drop. 108.9 minus 10.8. 98.1. Now if you see these difference, it is 1. These difference, it is also closer to 1. Are you all with me? These also closer to 1. 10% drop 2 times. 10 1 decrease 9. 10 1 decrease 9. 181, which is nothing but 19. These 10% increase, 10%, okay, one is increase, one is a decrease. So 11, 100 is becoming a 99. That means it is minus 1. Here also 1% decrease. These also closer to 1% decrease. If first year, second year, if the same pattern is there, so these 1996, 1997, 1998 and 1999 and 2000. Now if you see here, from 1996 to 97, 10% increase. Again 97 to 98, 10% decrease. This change is, one is decreasing, 1% down. Second to fourth, it is also 1% down. Cumulative effect is, it will be 2% decrease. It is 2% decrease. 100 to 98.1, 1.9. 1.9 is 2% less. Very, very good question it is. Very, very good question. Based on this, we will also solve a CAT level question as we proceed. Idea it is clear. Answer is 2% decrease. Next one. 20 successive discounts of 5, 10, 15, 20, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 20s are 100%. All are down. I told you in the previous class, you can interchange these discounts to get the overall. If I push it as first 100%, if the initial value is 100, if first only I give 100%, that means you came to me, sir, what is the course fee? I said 2000. I said you got merit 100% discount. That means you don't need to pay anything but get the course. So the answer is, product is sold absolutely free of cost. You don't need to do anything on this. First one itself, I sold it to the customer. After it reaches the customer, where is the question of using percentage? Product is sold free of cost to the customer. Product is sold free of cost to the customer. You don't need to do repeatedly these values. 5, 10, 15, 20, right? Don't need to do it. 100%. I said that I'll give you course freely. 100% down. It is product is sold free of cost to the customer. Very, very good question it is, sir. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 20s are 100. Product is sold absolutely free of cost.